fastest coaster in the world. Are you ready for Dragster? Arms down.
Dragster was built back in 2003. It was the tallest roller coaster in the world at 420 feet and went from 0 to 120 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds.
The record-breaking Kingda Ka coaster at Six Flags Great Adventure has indeed seen its final launch.
Arms down. Head back.
Strata roller coasters are rise between the height of 400 and 499 feet tall.
The 456-foot-tall behemoth shut down last Sunday, leaving behind a generation of memories dating back to May 21st, 2005.
For some speed,